Welcome to another brand new video. My name's Jodie and today we're talking about how to change the hot water temperature from your Aquafficient. Each Aquafficient is installed with one of these, a thermostatic mixer valve. What this mixer valve does is it blends the very hot water coming from the Aquafficient with cold water. That then will allow you to achieve the perfect hot water temperature for your home. On installation, we will usually pre-set these to about number 3. Occasionally, some customers would like their water even hotter, so this is how you change it. It's a simple dial which ranges from minimum to maximum, number 1 to number 6. 6 being the hottest and 1 being the coolest. Find the best temperature suited for you, set the temperature, and it's as simple as that.